Hello students, after a long break we come back again. I heartily welcoming you in our online education. I hope you all are happy, healthy at home. Students, let's start our new session with a new video, with a new story, right? Students, we have two books. One Beehive. From it, we have completed two chapters. One poem and one lesson. And second book is Moments. Today, we are going to learn the first chapter from Moments textbook. The title of this chapter is The Lost Child, written by Mulk-Raz Anand. Before its explanation, I would like to tell you about the author, about the writer of this chapter, Mulk-Raz Anand. In 12 December 1905, Mulk-Raz Anand was born in Peshawar. During that time, Peshawar was in India, but now in Pakistan. Prominent Indian author of novels, short stories and critical essays in English, who is known for his realistic and sympathetic portrayal of poor in India. The son of coppersmith, Mulk-Raz Anand graduated from Lahore University. Then he pursued his additional studies from University of Cambridge and University College of London in 1924. While in Europe, he became politically active in India's struggle for independence and shortly thereafter wrote a series of books, aspects of South Asian culture. He wrote two main and very famous novels. In 1935, Untouchable, this is the title of his first novel, Untouchable. And in 1936, second novel he wrote, Coolie, both of which examine the problem of poverty in Indian society. The books were widely acclaimed and Mulk-Raz Anand was hailed as India's Charles Dickens. You people know that Charles Dickens was prominent writer of English literature. So, Mulk-Raz Anand also got that title of Charles Dickens from India. This prominent personality was died in 28 September 2004 in Pune, Maharashtra. So this is about Mulk-Raz Anand. Let's see the small hint line of the chapter, The Lost Child. Once upon a time it was spring season. The people were very happy because the weather was going to change. Because they are going to leave the cold and stormy weather, winter was going to end. During that time, now spring season was there, and around all the villages, fair was held. And people were very excited to go in that fair. One of the little child also was very happy, very excited, because he was also going with his parents in that fair. Few people were going by bullocks. Some people were going by walking, and some people were riding on the horse. It means all the people were going in that fair. Now this little boy also was going with his parents and he also started his journey towards the fair. He was very happy. His parents also very happy because they were going in the fair. Once they reached at the beginning of that fair, that little child, that little boy has seen so many things. Toys, rides, sweets he attracted by them. Once he just entered in the fair, he saw first of all the burfi, which he liked the most. He asked to his father, Papa, I want this burfi. But his father refused it. He said, no, we have to go ahead, then after we'll take it. Then he became very sad because his father denied it to take that burfi. Then he was going ahead and ahead with his parents, and again he attracted by Gulmohar. He asked to his father again to buy that Gulmohar, but his father again refused it. Then he moved ahead, and then he saw many toys. Then this time he didn't ask anything because he knows that his father will again deny it. His father will refuse it. Then he become very sad. He dissatisfied with it. He just reached at the in between of the fair. He attracted by roundabout. You know roundabout ऐसे राइड होती है, गोरा होता है, गोरे के ऊपर वो बच्चे बैठते हैं और वो ऐसे राउंड में घूमती है. He attracted. He stood there. Once he just was going to ask about the roundabout to his father, he astonished. Tragedy happened with him. He started crying there. What would happen with him? Is he lost in the fair or he lost his parents? If he lost his parents, has he got them back? We'll see in the chapter.